Hey guys, welcome to Coding 101, and this is the 23rd day of 30 days of code. Today we will learn about binary search tree level order traversal. And today's task is to complete the level order function which is provided in the editor, so that it prints the level order traversal of binary search tree. This is the input and the output format of the problem. Now, let's come to the extended view of the editor, and select Java 7, as we will be solving this problem in Java 7. Create a queue of node type, and add root as the first element. Now check if the queue is empty, and if the queue is not empty, then use the pull function and remove the element at the front the container. You can read more about pull function here. I will provide a link to it in the description. Then print the removed node which we just stored inside the removed node variable. Now, check if we have anything to the left of the removed node variable. If yes, then add it to the queue. Do the same with the right side of the variable. And with that, we have completed the coding part. Now let's run our code and see what we get. Now let's submit our code, as we have got the sample test cases working. With that we have completed this problem. Meet you in the next video. Till then, please like this video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you don't miss any future updates.